So which is the linear equation in one variable. Ax plus b is equal to c. Okay, first let us define, anak, what is the meaning of linear equation in one variable. When we say one variable, isa lang yung letter na given. Okay, so everyone, can you read the meaning?
A linear equation in one variable is an equation that can be written in the form
of ax plus b is equal to c. Okay, so where a, b, and c are all real numbers. Ano po ba ma'am yung real numbers? Real numbers, ito yung mga numbers na makikita natin sa number line. O, sa number line, ano yung nasa right side? Positive. Sa left side? Negative. Sa gitna? Zero. Meaning, a real number is composed of positive numbers, negative numbers, zero, included din po ang fraction, included din po ang decimal, at yung irrational numbers. Okay, that is an example of real numbers. Ibig sabihin, anak, yung value ng A, B, at C natin dyan, numbers lahat yan. Ang variable lang natin dyan, anak, ay yung letter X. Take note, si letter A daw ay hindi dapat maging 0. Kasi pag naging 0, anak, si letter A, hindi na po siya linear equation. Do you understand? So, ma'am, pwede po ba maging 0 si B at C? Opo, wag lang si letter A. Or example of linear equation in one variable. Okay, 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. Based on the given, ang magiging value ng A natin dyan, yung number na katabi ni X. At anong number yun? 3. 3 is the value of A. O yung susunod na number, siya po yung B. Anong number po yun? 5. And C is 11. Therefore, the value of A is 3. The value of B is, and the value of C is, okay. Do you understand? Another example. 7x minus 4 is equal to 10. O again, what is the value of A? 7. Very good. What is the value of B? 4. Kapag ang operation, anak, ay subtraction, si 4, magiging negative na. Therefore, the value of B is negative 4. And what is the value of C? 10. Very good. Next, number 3. X plus 2 is equal to 6. O what is A?
1.
Very good, 1. May katabi ba si X? Wala. Therefore, imaginary, 1. That is the value of A. The value of A is?
1.
The value of B? 2. And the value of C is? 6. How about the last one? 5x is equal to negative 20. What is A? 5. How about B? Meron bang B? May kasunod ba? Wala. Therefore, 0 na po si B. The value of A is 5. The value of B is 0. And the value of C is negative 20. Again ha, si letter B at si letter C pwede maging 0 except kay letter A.